Hey guys, Adrian right here. A little quick little video. I had a couple of people ask me why 98% of people fail in network marketing. And I told them one thing, the reason why most people don't understand network marketing. Network marketing is making the phone calls. Network marketing is placing things on FB, making videos, offline marketing, from newspaper ads and things of that nature, going out there and posting things in different locations and stuff like that. That's why 98%, because they're not hungry enough to make it work, guys. It's not just gonna come real fast and easy, guys. You're gonna fail more times than you win. But most people, when they fail, they give up, guys. And that's why people fail in network marketing. It can work. It's just you got to find the right system. Number one, you have to find that you can take more no's than yes in network marketing, because you don't get more no's. You might get. I remember Peter Wolf, one of the program owners that I'm in with Instant Cash. He said he had to talk to 1,300 people, 1,300 people personally. I'm talking about phone call. Uh, things of that nature. 1,300 people to find his 11 guys. You know, because that's what it takes when you do network marketing. Everybody's not, you know, a grinder. Some people just, they expect that they sign up for an opportunity and they think it's going to be $1 million blast the next day just because they sign up. It don't work that way with network marketing. You have to work, you know. But the rewards are so greater, than working a 9 to 5 job, because your reward gonna stay the same. You're making $15 an hour. That's what you're gonna make for a lot of years. But network marketing is, if you do that work, the work required to be a full-time network marketer, the reward will be greater, guys, than even a doctor pay, even a lawyer pay, if you do that work. Um, I got in network marketing about 3 years ago, and about almost four now. I felt miserable the first 3 years. I mean, I didn't make too much money, like, to quit my janitorial business, because I own a janitorial business besides just network marketing, guys, for like 15 years. So I'm always a business person, number one, because I understand what Robert Kiyosaki said, the four quadrants, right? You know, you got your employee, you got your self-employee, that's what I'm doing, and then you got your businessman, that's what I'm doing, and then you got your person that do forex, that's what I'm doing. So I'm doing businessman, I'm doing self-employed, and I'm doing network marketing, guys. That's three different avenues of business that I'm doing, guys. Uh, and I'm mastering all three of them. Well, the self-employment business, I was big at one, real big, guys. I mean, I was doing like $13,000 a month worth of billing, guys. But but like Robert Kiyosaki said, you understand, when you're self-employed, you gotta be the smartest camp. You gotta be the smarter. What do you say? You got to be the smartest guy in your business, and I realized that. You know, I was the master of carpet cleaning. I was the master of stripping wax. I was the master in window cleaning. I was the master, But that's still my time, right? So that's why I got into network marketing, guys, and the forex, because uh, the network marketing, guys, I can get the different business owners, like people that want to do network marketer, like partners, and they can be smarter than me. And if they build a strong team, but I got them in the business, they can make me a millionaire. Like Peter Wolf said, he got 11 people in his business, and they made him a millionaire. So that's network marketing, guys. You don't gotta be the smart. You don't want to be the smartest guy in that field, guys. Because if you get downline commission and downline commission, and if you recruit a winner and he recruit thousands of people, and you getting a percentage of all the income that his team is making, like 4 to 10%, and he's making $100,000. That's 4%. That's $4,000. So if you find 5 or 6 people like that, you're making 20 grand, and you ain't do no work on that part. So that's making money smart, guys. All right, real quick little video. I just wanted to share this for this Sunday with you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my video. If you want to see what I'm doing, my rotator, I'll leave that link below this video. But other than that, make sure to subscribe to my video and ring that bell. All right, guys. Happy Sunday.